I have an idea for you, but it's not my original idea. A student came to me yesterday from the time I'm recording this video with a really good idea about an additional page to your OneNote notebook. This will not be required, but I think it could be really, really helpful. So she was asking if she could like take notes and follow along with the reading guide inside her OneNote notebook, right? So on Moodle, we're in week 9 right here. Okay, week 9, that's where the actual case study assignment is, as well as the reading guide. So, if you haven't seen it yet, we've got trigger warnings on the left, as well as the actual reading schedule, and then questions and ideas and thoughts and things that have been pointed out to help you with your project, right? And so it's for every single day that you're supposed to have a chunk of text read. So, if you would like to, you can come over to your OneNote notebook, open it up. You can click on add a page, just like we did to set up our whole notebook. And you could do something like reading guide. And then take notes in there. That is perfectly fine. The only thing I ask is that you just leave these other 4 pages alone. That's it. You are welcome to put extra pages in your notebook to help you with this project, or I mean, if you wanted to leave your rough draft of your rough draft outside of what I'll be looking at, that is perfectly fine. Like you can make this your own, but I suggest staying focused on only the glass castle. If you want to start doing other projects with other classes with OneNote, just make new notebooks. That's it. Um, and I also just ask that you keep these 4 pages, the bibliography, checker X, reflection, works cited, just together and just easy for me to find. But other than that, you just have at it. Make this notebook as useful as you need it.